Hello, welcome back to my channel. I would just like to take this moment to say that if you've watched any of my previous videos, you're obviously watching this one now, I would really love it if you would subscribe. I'm trying really hard, well, I'm going to start trying really hard to up my subscribers and really turn this channel into something quite successful. That's what I would like to do, but I need your help to do that, so please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So today's video is a quick update on what's been going on at the house. We've been doing a lot of DIY. It's been really hard work. It's been fun. I haven't done as much as I would have liked to have done because, you know, being pregnant kind of limits what you can do. But I'm gonna show a clip of the house and you can see what's been done, and I'm gonna do a before and after. So I thought that would be quite interesting for you. I hope you enjoy the video, and like I said, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Good morning, people. I am just at the moment trying to summon the energy to go downstairs and make a cup of coffee. And then I'm going to get in my car and go to the house and do some work on the house. I feel bad because I haven't been there for a while. Stuart's been working really hard and I haven't done much. I'm just so tired. I'm so tired.
The dirt is compacted into a bale and empties on a slide. Order your G-Tech Air Run today for £199.99 with free delivery. Call now. Actually, hold on.
Today's job, making good the walls in the hallway. Good morning. I thought I would do a quick house update. As you can see in the hallway, we now have lining paper on the walls and going up the stairs. We have carpet. Still no flooring or skirting board. We've got some new doors. We just need to put architraves around the door frame. The living room, or the front room, that's going to be the snug, is part papered, lining paper. Needs coving and skirting and flooring. The kitchen still looks like the gateway to hell. As does the back room, dining room. Bathroom's painted, just needs flooring and a bath, well, part painted. Saul's room has carpet, has been painted and has wallpaper and has skirting. Morning, quick front room update. I'm very excited because today I'm going to be putting the navy on the wall, which is something that I've been looking forward to. The front room looks remarkably different now we've got that colour on the wall. I absolutely love this colour. It's from B&Q, it's their own range, and it's called Marine. We were going to go for a more navy, but I just thought this was a bit, I don't know, vibrant. And it works really well with the antique white we've got on the walls here. Our hallway's looking so much brighter. Before it was a really dark, horrible green on the walls. It felt really gloomy. Feels much lighter now. And I love what we've done with the stairs, just having it as a runner. The paint we've used is a special Dulux paint called Light and Space. It needs another coat, so that will be done in the week. A feature that I loved when we came to view the house were these windows in the hallway. They just let in so much light. Well, they do now. This one had a Perspex film over the outside of it, and it was just a disgusting off colour. But now it's much brighter. As you can see, we still need to do the insides of the windows. Yesterday I painted the windowsill, sanded and painted. Again, this needs another coat. At the top of the stairs we've got another window